Xtreflex company, it's a worldwide company. We develop, manufacture and sell soft PVC products. So we have actually 4 manufacturing sites in France, in USA, in China, and we newly opened a factory in Vietnam last year. We have actually 140 people working for Xtreflex. We have a turnover of more or less 40 million euro, and most of our exports are done overseas. Our customers, they want a very clear and transparent product. This is critical for our customers. We can offer the best value for money for our customers. SAP actually has been a key to support the growth of Xtreflex over the last 10 years. The main benefit from SAP Business One is actually to get homogeneous core system, meaning that actually all companies are using actually the same setup to track the production cost, to track inventories, which is interfaced to the accounting system, which is actually fully integrated with logistic and production data. So this is really a big benefit for us to control the data and to control the performance in real time. In the past, we had different systems with some integrity issues that are not consistent, difficult to reconcile. So with the implementation of SAP Business One, it really helps us to save a lot of time to get accurate data in real time.
SAP Business One helped a lot to deploy our various companies and to control also these companies. I mean, to control the cost, and to help also the local team.
Time is money. Yeah? I can get all the data just in a second, and this is very big benefits. I used to work on different systems, and it's really a huge benefit to have a system like SAP Business One to do this.
When we choose the one solution, we notice that there are companies with subsidiaries everywhere able to accompany us everywhere in the world. That was really the main key factor in the choice of the one solution. Maybe one of the secrets, I would say, of Xtreflex is that when we set up a company in a country, in Asia particularly, we work with local people. The tool is very easy to use, very intuitive, I would say. So everyone with a good training, is able to use it very quickly. It's quite simple, very user-friendly. SAP Business One is the perfect tool to deploy, and I would recommend it definitely.